Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting a stable stance. Feet hip-width apart and knees bent about 30 degrees so you absorb glide. Place the lead skate on its inside edge and the trailing skate on an outside edge. This creates the lateral force you need. Push off with the trailing foot, shifting weight smoothly onto the lead blade as you extend. This is the first propulsion. Once done, keep a steady tempo and eyes forward so momentum stays controlled and you don't over-rotate. You now execute the F move by initiating rotation from the torso. Let your shoulders lead the hips just slightly so the body follows cleanly. As you begin the turn, apply a gentle toe pick or engage the inside edge to create a pivot point. This controls the arc. Use subtle ankle tilt to modulate speed and keep the blade carving. Arms are active. Put the opposite arm forward and the other arm back to counterbalance and guide your rotation smoothly. To finish, you absorb the exit by bending your knees and distributing weight evenly across both blades so the glide stays stable. This prevents a hard jolt. Slow the rotation with a small cross step or by lengthening the glide until you regain full control. This secures the finish and sets you up for the next element. If you feel wobble, reduce the rotational force immediately, lower your center of gravity, and fix your gaze on a point ahead to re-establish balance. This single tip fixes most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.